Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMetSoft Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to use find function in Excel. So as you can see, I have some text cells here, and I want to use find function. Find function basically works in text values, text data. So I write find, and you can see returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. So find is case sensitive also, and I will show you some examples about that. So I double click on find, and then it says find text. So this is the text you want to find in your reference cells. So I want to find the letter F here in the cell. I close the parentheses, and it says it's the first position of this word. And now let's try it with another letter. I want to show the N letter in function here. Close the parentheses, and it says N is the third position in function. Why? Because it finds the first one, and the first one is in third position. It doesn't go to the end of the word, okay? So now I want to use it in finding the word in a string. So I click equal and then type find, and then I wanted to find function. Close the quotations and click on the cell, close, and it says this is in sixth position. How is it calculating? The first one is F, second one I, third one N, fourth is D, and the fifth is the space between these two words, and the sixth one is where the function word starts. Here I want to try another one. I want to find the find word here. So I type find, and then I type find, and then select the cell, and let's see what happens. So, okay, this example meant to be in another way, so I just made a mistake here. Let's see how it works. Yes, I meant this one. I meant here I wrote it with capital letters, and it found the first word find with the capital letters. So this word is coming in the 10th position, not in the first position. Okay, so that's the tip to consider, and I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to AgriMetSoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.